Cindy, there's no such thing as a killer videotape.
Oh.
Hell yeah, there is. In fact, I know somebody can definitely help you with that.
You do who?
Wait up, man. I heard Jamal from 90th Street. He watched that tape last week. And this morning he woke up dead.
How the hell do you wake up dead?
Because you're alive when you go to sleep.
Wait, just tell me you can
So you
help
telling me that you can go to bed dead and wake up alive?
You can't go to bed dead, man. That shit would be redundant.
Just tell me
No,
who.
it wouldn't. Because you can go to bed and not be dead, and you can die but not be in the bed.
But you are in the bed, man. That's how you wake up dead in the first place, fool.
Damn! That's some quantum shit right there, man.
What are you talking
You
about?
should be teaching classes. You stay dropping out.
Just tell me who can help me.
My Shanique, her man and all this weird shit.
Ever since the divorce, it's like my life has no purpose. Half the time I walk around feeling like a zombie.
Yo, don't joke about zombies. That shit there, that's real.
Yo, you know LaShonda on 120th Street?
Yeah.
She told me that she heard a zombie going through her trash the other day. The next morning, she turned up missing.
What? Okay, back up. How the hell do you turn up missing?
Because nobody knows where you are when they realize you ain't there.
Guys, I'm trying to ask
Okay,
for...
whoa. So you telling me that you can appear and disappear at the same time?
No, man, you can't appear and disappear at the same time. The bitch ain't David Copperfield.
Guys,
No. But you can't be gone from one place and show up somewhere else entirely. So when you turn up, you're never missing. And when you're missing, you never turn up.
Unless you a zombie.
Damn! Hey, that's some plausible shit right there. You should blog about that.
I'm gonna put that on MySpace.
You do it then.
Boom! Hey, Tom.